Good morning, children. I am Rashmi Kapoor from LPS. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 4. School is a temple. School क्या है? School is a temple. School एक मंदिर है. Okay, students, let me explain how. In ancient times, temples were used as the place to learn the lesson about life. The teachers were worshipped as gods and students would bow down their heads in respect. Things have not changed, but as the generation and the times and have changed, the infrastructure and the style of teaching have moved forward. One thing that has not changed is the meaning of the school, that is temple of learning. Okay, student, if you go through this chapter, you will find this lesson is about cleanliness. ये lesson किसके बारे में है? Cleanliness के बारे में है. It begins with dispute between two students. दो students के बीच में लड़ाई होती है. दो student कौन-कौन से? राजू and मंजीत. Raju asked Manjeet to clean the classroom and Manjeet refuses, saying that why he should clean the room when it is made dirty by someone else. So at this point, their teacher says that it is not important who has made the room dirty, but it is more important that we should keep the classroom neat and clean. If we keep our houses clean, why we should not keep our classroom tidy? Our school is a temple. It is the duty of all the students to keep it clean. Okay, all the students agree with their cleaning the school. Okay, student. Now I am explaining this chapter. So here are the question given at the top of the lesson. At the three question. So I will discuss the three questions after the end of the lesson. Okay. Here are the picturization of a classroom. Okay. A classroom. Here the scene of a classroom. Students are sitting. Raju, the class monitor, noticed some bits of paper lying on the floor near Manjeet. So this is a scene of a classroom where the students are sitting and the Raju, the class monitor. Who is the class monitor? Raju, the head boy, class monitor, head boy of the class. Some bits of paper lying on the floor near Manjeet. अब Raju noticed that some bits of paper. Here the bits of paper means some pieces of paper lying on the floor means present randomly on the floor near Manjeet. Okay. Now, here the conversation between two students, Raju and Manjeet. Manjeet, who has thrown these bits of paper in the class? Raju says to Manjeet, who has thrown these bits of paper in the class? ये class के अंदर paper के pieces किसने फेंके हैं? So Manjeet, I don't know Raju. Maybe some boys has thrown these scraps. वो कह रहे हैं क्या कह रहे हैं मंजीत ने क्या बोला मुझे नहीं पता राजू मे बी शायद some boy has thrown these scraps कुछ लड़कों ने ये scrap means also pieces of paper ये जो pieces of paper किसी दूसरे लड़के ने फेंके हैं. Now Raju says no you are telling a lie. राजू क्या बोल रहा है कि तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. When I went out of the class you were writing on a paper. जब मैं क्लास से बाहर जा रहा था तो you were writing on a paper. तुम उस पेपर पे लिख रहे थे. I am sure these are the bits of that same paper. And sure means doubtless. मैं doubtless हूँ क्यों क्यों कह रहे हैं कि मैं sure हूँ doubtless हूँ क्यों क्योंकि ये जो bits of paper है ना वो किसके हैं जिस पेपर पे आप लिख रहे थे ये उसी का ही पेपर है. Then the Manjeet says, I didn't throw them here. Manjeet ने कहा मैंने इसको यहाँ नहीं फेंका. I threw them in the dustbin. मैंने इसको कहाँ पर फेंका है? Dustbin में फेंका. Raju loudly. Okay? Raju क्या करते हैं? जोर से. In high sound. No, no, no. You threw them here. तुमने ही इसको यहाँ पर फेंके हैं. Now clean the floor. अब तुमको क्या करना पड़ेगा अपने जो फर्श है जो क्लासरूम का जो फ्लोर है उसको आपको क्लीन करना पड़ेगा. Then Manjeet says when I didn't throw these bits of papers, why should I clean them? Manjeet said that मैंने जब ये पेपर फेंके नहीं तो मैं इसको क्लीन क्यों करूं? Okay, so there are the conversation between Raju and Manjeet, and the both start quarreling, and just then the class teacher enters. Okay, now the teacher said, boys, why are you making a noise? तुम लड़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो? तुम शोर क्यों कर रहे हो? दोनों आपस में लड़ रहे थे ना? Here the word quarreling means begin argument angrily. So now move on the next page. Manjeet, sir, Raju is blaming me. राजू क्या कर रहा है मुझ पे? Blaming कर रहा है. He says that I have thrown these pieces of paper here. He is telling me to clean the floor. Also, it's not my job. तो इन दिस लाइन द मंजीत सेज राजू क्या कर रहा है? मुझ पे ब्लेम कर रहा है और वो कह रहा है कि मैंने ये जो पीसेस है, पेपर के जो पीसेस है, मैंने यहाँ फेंके हैं. एंड ही इज टेलिंग मी टू क्लीन द फ्लोर आल्सो, और ये मुझे कह रहा है कि इस फ्लोर को साफ करो. इट्स नॉट माय जॉब, ये मेरा काम नहीं है. देन द टीचर सेज, बॉयज, एट फर्स्ट बी क्वाइट and listen to me patiently. Here the word quiet means soundless, and patiently means peacefully without any hurry. So the teacher ने क्या बोला कि सबसे पहले आप चुप रहिए, शांत रहिए और मुझे ध्यान से पेशेंटली, मतलब मुझे पीसफुली शांति से सुनिए. Tell me, if your body becomes dirty, who cleans it? Then now the teacher asks a question to a student. Tell me, बताओ मुझे, if your body becomes dirty, अगर तुम्हारी body गंदी हो जाती है, who cleans it? उसको कौन साफ करता है? All, here the all means the students. Then student says, we do it ourselves, sir. हम इसको क्या करते हैं? खुद ही साफ करते हैं. Here you notice in this lesson we use emphatic pronouns. So we use ourselves. Okay, ourselves is an emphatic pronoun. Then the teacher says, if your room is dirty, is it only your mother's duty to clean it? Don't you clean your room? जब तुम्हारा रूम गंदा होता है तो केवल तुम्हारी मदर की ही ड्यूटी है इसको साफ करने की. डोंट यू क्लीन योर रूम? क्या तुम अपना रूम साफ नहीं कर सकते? सो द टीचर आस्क अबाउट द क्लीनलीनेस. If your body become dirty, who cleans it? And the second question, if your room is dirty, who will clean it? If it is your mother's job, it is your mother duty to clean it. Don't you clean your room? So the teacher asks the question to a student. Then the Raju say, yes sir, I clean my room myself. Here you notice myself, emphatic pronoun. So the Raju, yes sir, I clean my room myself. मैं अपना रूम खुद ही साफ करता हूँ. Teacher, good Raju. Neha say, sir, I also sweep my room. I fetch water with my mother from a well. I help her in the kitchen also. So the Neha said, I also sweep. Sweep means to clean with brush, and fetch means to bring. So the Neha says she also sweep her room, and she fetch water with my mother from a well, and she go to well and bring water, and she help her mother in the kitchen also. So the Bittu says, sir, I also help my father at the shop. Now the Bittu says, Bittu क्या बोल रहा है कि वो अपने जो पिताजी उसकी शॉप है उनकी, वहाँ पर उनकी क्या करता है? मदद करता है. Now the teacher said, very good my children. We work at home ourselves and help family members. हमको क्या करना चाहिए? We work at home ourselves. हमको अपने घर पे अपना काम करना चाहिए. And help family members. और अपने जो family members हैं उनकी क्या करनी चाहिए? मदद करनी चाहिए. There will don't think whether our household activities are our job or not. ये हमको ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि our household activities. Here the word household means task related to home, our job or not, कि हमारा जो घर का काम है या ये जो ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि घर का काम है या नहीं है. In the same manner, our school is also like our home. इसी प्रकार हमारा स्कूल भी हमारे घर की तरह है. We live here together. हम यहाँ पर क्या रहते हैं? साथ में रहते हैं. And study in a friendly atmosphere. और जो हम पढ़ाई करते हैं वो कैसे करते हैं? फ्रेंडली एटमोस्फियर में. दोस्ताना जो आपका जो एटमोसफियर है उसमें रहते हैं. Shouldn't we think of its cleanliness also? क्या तुमको इसके साफ सफाई के बारे में नहीं सोचना चाहिए? Okay, if we make it dirty, who will clean it? If we make it means if we make a school dirty, who will clean the school? I think we should do it ourselves. मेरे ख्याल से इसको हमको ही साफ करना चाहिए. Okay, now in this lines the teacher says that school is like our home. School भी हमारी घर की तरह है. So whose duty to clean it? It is our duty to clean the school. Okay, student. Now the Manjeet says, yes, I got it. I understood it. Now we will all make our classroom and school clean. हम क्या कर देंगे? हम अपने जो classroom है, हमारा जो school है, उसको हम क्या कर देंगे? Clean कर देंगे. All means all the students. The school is ours. School क्या है? हमारा है. Let's clean it carefully, my friend. We won't leave a bit. All the students said that the school is ours, so let's clean it carefully. चलो इसको अच्छे से सावधानी से हम साफ करते हैं. We won't leave a bit. हम एक भी कचरे का piece of paper या कोई भी जो rubbish है वो स्कूल में नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Have you understood this, student? Now move on the next page. Now here you can see the picture of a student. They are cleaning the classroom. Now they all start arranging the tables and benches. Then they wipe the doors and sweep the floor. So here the day refers to a students. Okay, all the students start arranging the tables and benches. वे क्या करने लगे? Table और benches को arrange करने लगे. Then they wipe the doors. और वो क्या कर रहे थे? Doors को क्या कर रहे थे? Wipe कर रहे थे. Here the word wipe means to clean the dirt with clothes, and the sweep means I also tell you to clean with brushes. So सभी students क्या करने लगे? वो door को, floor को साफ करने लगे. Now the Raju, I will remove all the cobwebs on the wall. Using a stool, I will clean my school. So now the Raju says, I will remove all. मैं इस सबको ही remove कर दूंगा means हटा दूंगा. The cobwebs on the wall. Here the cobweb means spider net, मकड़ी का जाला. Using a stool. To the help of a stool, Raju said that to help of a stool, he will remove all the cobwebs on the wall and he cleaned the school. Now, Tanya said, I will sweep the floor and wipe the door using a broom. I will clean my room. So here you notice that in this line, Tanya said that I will sweep the floor and wipe the door. वो क्या कर देगी? Floor को साफ कर देगी. Okay, and wipe the door. I told you before the meaning of sweep and wipe. So now using a broom. Yeah, here the word broom means in Hindi we can say jhadu. A brush with a long handle used to clean the floor. I clean my room. Okay, so मैं अपना room पूरा साफ कर दूँ. So the Raju and Neha said about this cleaning of the school and room. Now move on the next page. Now all the students left. We will grow flower plants with teachers and aunts. School is our temple, knowledge is ample. So now the students say that we will grow. Grow means cultivate. Okay? To grow the plant with the help of a teacher and aunt. School is our temple. School हमारा क्या है? एक मंदिर है. Knowledge is ample. Here the ample means more than enough, more than sufficient. मतलब knowledge क्या है? We will get more knowledge to school. Knowledge क्या है? हम क्या करते रहते हैं? Knowledge स्कूल से हम लेते रहते हैं. Knowledge अथाह है, कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाली. So in this line, the student said that with the help of a teacher and aunt, they will grow the flower plants. Okay, student. Now here are the picture of a school, and the students are now the teacher. You are all right. Let's make a school bright. Now The teacher said, "You are all right. तुम सब सही हो. Let's make our school bright. चलो हम अपना school चमकदार बनाते हैं." Here the means bright means to clean, neat and clean the school. If we are beautiful, Bharat will be beautiful. Here the word beautiful means doing work honestly. So if we do our work honestly, so Bharat means India will be beautiful. So with the dedication to our duty, we can make Bharat beautiful. Okay. So now in this chapter, you know about the cleanliness of the school. So I think you heard the name of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. What is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd October 2014 by the Government of India. Its main objective is to clean the streets, roads and infrastructure of the country. So we should keep our surrounding neat and clean. Okay, I think you have to understood